In this video, I will show you how to make avatar for Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Instagram. Now, to make an avatar, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Instagram and come across to your profile page by pressing onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on your profile page, what you want to do now is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to go into your settings. In your settings, what you want to do is press onto Account Center, which should be at the top of the page. Then what you want to do in your Account Center is press onto Profiles at the top. And on the next screen, you want to go ahead and select your Instagram profile that you want to make an avatar for. So what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. On here, you're going to see an option for avatar. So what you want to do is give that a press. And this is where you can come to make your own avatar. So you've got two options here. What you can do is create an avatar from a selfie, or you can just create one manually. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and select create manually. Then you can get started by selecting a skin tone. So we're going to select our skin tone from here. Then what you can do is come down and press next at the bottom and then go ahead and select a hairstyle from the available hairstyles on here. You can also choose your hair color by selecting the colors at the top, and once you're happy, just come down and press next at the bottom. What you can do is just go through and finish making your avatar, so you can select your face shape and your body type. Then come down and press the save and continue button at the bottom. So once you've made up your basic avatar, what you can then do is further customize this by selecting different outfits, and also you can change your hair, face, body, makeup, and a ton of different things from here. Of course, any changes you do make to your avatar, be sure to come up to the top right hand corner after making changes and pressing the blue save button. As you can see, it now says avatar updated, which means we've updated our avatar changes. So that is how to make avatar for Instagram. If this did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.